outlet sparks when plugging in a device? That can be super scary and definitely not something to ignore if you want to keep your home safe. So, first thing, always turn off the power at the breaker before you even think about touching the outlet. You don't want to risk getting shocked, right? Then, grab a screwdriver and take the outlet cover off to check if you see any loose wires or signs of damage like scorch marks or melted plastic. If the wires are loose, tighten them up carefully, but if anything looks burnt or frayed, it's time to replace the outlet or call in a pro. Also, don't forget that sometimes the problem isn't just the outlet but the wiring behind it, so inspect that too. If you're not comfortable poking around electrical stuff, it's totally okay to get an electrician involved. Using a damaged outlet can cause bigger problems like electrical fires or frying your devices. And lastly, always use outlets that match your device's plug type and power rating to avoid overloading. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sparking outlets is ignoring the problem and just hoping it will go away, but that usually just makes things worse fast. Another common issue is DIY repairs without turning off the power first, which is super dangerous and can cause serious injury. Lastly, using cheap or low-quality replacement outlets to save money can lead to more sparks or electrical shorts down the line. Always go for good quality parts and proper installation. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to electrical repairs and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need reliable work done, so everyone wins.